हेलो एवरीवन, हैप्पी न्यू ईयर। आई होप आपकी न्यू ईयर सेलिब्रेशंस बहुत अमेजिंग गई होंगी। सो न्यू एक्सपेक्टेशंस, न्यू एस्पिरेशंस, न्यू लर्निंग्स, न्यू बिगिनिंग्स एंड न्यू एनर्जी लेवल। So let's keep this energy level high and let's learn something very constructive, very efficient and very positive this year. What basically I do for every day, a night before I always prepare a to-do list so that I can invest my time efficiently and I can prioritize my work. Similarly, for every year I do the same. I always plan out my year, that what achievements I have to make and which things I have to take it to another level. So it's kind of a target, or you can say kind of aim that I always keep for the year. Similarly, I have made a plan for our videos also, and I'm very excited to share that plan with you so that we can have a complete growth pattern. What basically I believe is that there are 5 dimensions in which an individual grows or a personality grows. Now, what are these 5 dimensions, and what I am talking about is basically that for every individual there are basically 5 dimensions, and in every dimension there is a growth needed, and you have to make a balance in all these 5 dimensions. Now, what are these 5 dimensions? The first one is the spiritual. Spiritual means like when you connect with your higher self, with your conscious. So in that I'm going to talk about, or I'm going to share the videos that how we can understand what basically spiritual awakening is, what are the transformation you undergo when you are in spiritual awakening process, how you can raise your energy levels, and how you can have that connect with your conscious. Fine. Then second dimension is about the emotional one, that how you can be emotionally intelligent, how to deal with your lows and highs. There are a lot many techniques through which we can become emotionally smart. Then comes the mental, the third dimension. Mental is one when you need to learn something new. You rejuvenate, you regrow, you reconstruct your neurons, and you can even delay your aging process. So there are a lot many techniques through which we can enrich ourselves mentally. How we can control our thoughts, that will come under this mental one. Then comes the physical one, and I think physical you can easily understand that I'm talking about that how or you can say how to invest to be physically fit, and what's a requirement, or how we can do it, or how we can go for it. Then comes the fifth dimension, that is basically the social one. In social, I count everything, that when you do something for the society and anything on humanitarian ground, and even interacting with people, and even finances and all that, I always count into the social one. So in total, all these 5 dimensions are needed to have a complete, or you can say 360-degree growth in an individual. And it's not very tough to make a balance in between all these dimensions and to uplift yourself with every passing year, or even you can say with every passing day. I make sure whenever I plan out, or you can say whenever a day before, or you can say a night before, whenever I prepare my to-do list, I always make sure that मेरी जो ये 5 dimensions में growth हो every day. And you just need to be little disciplined, and you should have a strong willpower to do it or to achieve it. And end of the day will feel so enriched, so enlightened, and so positive that you have done something in a very balanced way. And it's not at all tough. Lot many people, they do that. Now, how to do it, or you can say how to attain that accomplishment, or how to attain that balance in all these dimensions, we are going to discuss. For every dimension, I am going to upload an exclusive or a separate video, that how we can attain that spiritual awakening, how we can grow ourselves mentally, how we can become emotionally intelligent, how we can have that better social interactions. For every aspect or for every dimension, I'm going to upload separate video. But you just need to understand that today when you make your to-do list, make sure that you have little investment in all these dimensions. Now how we can do, just a brief about it, that for spiritual, according to your time schedule, like with whatever time you get little free for yourself, invest or have that conversation with the higher self, have that connect with your conscious, talk to your idol, means like if you believe in any supreme, talk to him in a very intense way, have that spiritual connect with your higher self, with your conscious. Try to invest at least 30 or 45 minutes in a day for that conversation, for that awakening process. For mental, at least learn something new every day, or start learning something new that will help in the rejuvenation and regrowth, or you can say reconstruction of your neurons. Learn something or read something, that is very much required. Then comes the emotional dimension. For every, you can say, for the emotional intelligence or for the emotional enrichment, at least spend some quality time with your loved ones. Play with them, go for a walk with them, or watch TV together, or listen good music together, or have that a general chit chat with them. That will help you out in the emotional, you can say that satisfaction and happiness. Then comes the physical one. For physical growth, or you can say for that dimension, at least spend some time, go for a walk or any kind of yoga, or even like any dance form in which you feel that you release your stress or you feel good. That is very much required. That will keep you even away from lot many diseases and lifestyle disorders also. And there comes the fifth dimension, and for that fifth dimension, at least do something constructive, contribute in the nature or in the universe, do something good for someone that will enrich you socially. And even talking to a stranger, even having the conversation with somebody who is in need of that, do that will help out in the development or enrichment or growth in your fifth dimension. So every day I always make sure that I have a investment in all these dimensions, and trust me, it's not at all difficult. Once you will come in that order of investment and discipline, आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा कब आपकी पांचों dimensions every day it's going to enrich. Every day you are investing without even knowing it, and that will give you a complete growth pattern, and that will give you complete satisfaction. So no doubt we are going to talk about every dimension separately, but for now I want to start up with the mental one, so that we'll have a brief idea that what we are going to talk about in the next videos. Fine. For the mental one, what I personally believe is, और यू कैन से मेजॉरिटी ऑफ केसेस, इवन अगर आपने देखा हो या आपने कभी नोटिस किया हो, तो जो थॉट्स होते हैं वही किसी एक इंडिविजुअल को या पर्सनालिटी को अपनी डायरेक्शन में ड्राइव करते हैं मेजॉरिटी केसेस में, और यू कैन से मोस्ट ऑफ द केसेस में थॉट्स ही एक इंडिविजुअल को डोमिनेट करते हैं. कभी भी एक पर्सनालिटी और यू कैन से इंडिविजुअल थॉट्स को ड्राइव कर नहीं पाता. इट्स वेरी टफ. But we have some tools, we have some techniques, we have some smart moves that how we can drive our thoughts the way we want to do. We should know, or there are a lot many techniques through which we can master our brain. And people who know the art that how we can master our brain, they can do wonders. Because majority cases में जो thoughts होते हैं वही एक इंडिविजुअल को अपनी तरफ प्रोपेल करते हैं, अपनी तरफ ड्रैग करते हैं, और वही थॉट्स धीरे धीरे इतने ज़्यादा डोमिनेटिंग हो जाते हैं किसी पर्सनालिटी पे कि थॉट्स ही उस पर्सनालिटी को अपनी जिस चाहे डायरेक्शन में मूव कर लेते हैं. बट हमारे पास ऐसी कुछ टेक्निक्स, कुछ ऐसे मेथड्स हैं थ्रू विच हम अपने थॉट्स को अपने अकॉर्डिंग मेंड कर सकते हैं, अपने अकॉर्डिंग ड्राइव कर सकते हैं. और जिसने वो आर्ट सीख लिया, that person can do wonders and even magic, because उस वे में हम अपनी एनर्जी को फोकस करना जानते हैं. और इट्स नॉट वेरी डिफिकल्ट. इवन इफ यू स्टार्ट प्रैक्टिसिंग इट्स वेरी इजी, बट आपको थोड़ा सा उसमें कॉन्शियस होने की नीड है दैट हाउ वी कैन मास्टर आवर ब्रेन. And the first and the foremost technique for that is awareness. Yes, sounds very simple, but it's little tricky. थोड़ा सा टाइम लगता है उस चीज़ को अवेयर होने के लिए या आपको अवेयर होने के लिए अपने थॉट्स के लिए. Whenever you sit back today after watching this video, आप एक बार नोटिस करना that what basically you do in your thoughts. Either we dig in the past or we dwell in the future, because they are both time bound zones. We feel good when we dig in the past or we dwell in the future, because these both are illusion worlds. जब हम पास्ट में डिग करते हैं तो ईदर वी डिग आउट समथिंग वेरी हैप्पी मोमेंट और समथिंग वेरी सैड, बिकॉज वो बहुत ईजी है उसको डिग आउट करना. वी फील कनेक्टेड ओवर देयर. सिमिलरली फ्यूचर में हम कुछ पॉजिटिव एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं और कुछ एक्सपेक्टेशंस लेके चलते हैं, तो वो भी हमें कहीं एक काइंड ऑफ इल्यूजन वर्ल्ड का हैप्पीनेस देते हैं. दैट इज़ अ डिफरेंट एस्पेक्ट कि जब चीज़ें पूरी नहीं होती तो हमें एक एनर्जी लेवल विड्रॉल दिखता है या हमें लो फील होता है या हम सैड हो जाते हैं, हम अपसेट हो जाते हैं. दैट इज़ अ टोटल डिफरेंट एस्पेक्ट. बट यूजली हमारा जो थॉट प्रोसेस होता है वो बहुत ही कंफर्टेबली या तो पास्ट में रहना बिलीव करता है या फील गुड फैक्टर में रहता है या फ्यूचर में रहता है. The first thing, or you can say the first art to master your brain is try to hold your thoughts. Now how we can do? जब भी आपके माइंड में थॉट्स, ऑब्वियसली 99% हमारे माइंड में कुछ ना कुछ चल ही रहा होता है, कोई चर्निंग चल रही होती है थॉट की. सो आप उसको सिर्फ विटनेस करो अपने माइंड को कि ओके, नाउ माई माइंड और माई थॉट्स आर इन द पास्ट और दे आर ट्राइंग टू मेक समथिंग आउट ऑफ for the future. Hold yourself there in that moment, because जो सिर्फ एक टाइम फ्री जोन है वो नाउ मोमेंट है, और you can say that present moment is the only time free zone. But thoughts, they dwell either in the past or in the future because they feel good when they are there. You feel good, you feel happy. So आपका ब्रेन भी धीरे धीरे उसी सॉफ्टवेयर पे डेवलप हो जाता है कि आप या तो पास्ट में रहते हो या फिर आप फ्यूचर में रहते हो. So next time, or you can say the first thing to master your brain is hold your thoughts. Learn how to hold your thoughts in that now moment. जब भी आपका माइंड पास्ट की तरफ ड्वेल करे, start witnessing your thoughts कि in which direction they are driving you, whether they are in the past or in the future or in some illusion world. Hold yourself in that moment. If you are walking, if you are chopping, if you are dancing, if you are learning something, if you are reading something, if you are driving, be in that moment. आप अपने वॉक, जो आपके स्टेप्स आप ले रहे हो वॉक करते टाइम, ट्राई टू काउंट देम. इफ यू आर लिसनिंग समथिंग और इफ यू आर वॉचिंग समथिंग, ट्राई टू गेट engrossed in that moment. I just wanna say, I just wanna say, or I'm just trying to explain कि whatever you're doing, whether you're even lying on bed, try to feel that moment. And the moment you have that art or you have that awareness that okay, मुझे अपने आप को वापस नाउ मोमेंट में लाना है, you will start or you will be on the track of mastering your brain. It's not that easy because हमारा सॉफ्टवेयर ऐसा डेवलप हो गया है कि हम भी ले बैक हो जाते हैं और जैसे थॉट्स चलते हैं हम उसी डायरेक्शन में प्रोपेल कर लेते हैं, उसी डायरेक्शन में हम वी गो विद द फ्लो, बिकॉज दैट गिव्स यू ईज और यू कैन से कंफर्ट. और हमें धीरे धीरे इतने ईयर्स से हम उस कंफर्ट जोन में, तो इट्स नॉट दैट ईजी टू मेक योर सेल्फ अवेयर और टू विटनेस योर थॉट्स और टू होल्ड योर सेल्फ बैक, बट इट्स नॉट इवन दैट टफ. सो नेक्स्ट टाइम whenever you have the churning of thoughts in your brain, try to witness it and just notice that in which direction your thoughts are propelling you, and then hold yourself in that now moment. Trust me, when you will have that awareness that in which direction you are going and you try to hold yourself, इनिशियली वो कुछ सेकेंड्स लेगा आपको, बिकॉज इतना प्रैक्टिस नहीं होता है हमें कि हम अपना आपको होल्ड कर पाएँ. देन नेक्स्ट मोमेंट यू विल अगेन बी इन दैट पास्ट और फ्यूचर, बट एटलीस्ट फ्रॉम कुछ सेकेंड से वो कुछ कुछ आवर्स होने लगता है, देन वी कैन नो, देन वी विल डिस्कस दैट हाउ वी कैन बिल्ड अप नो माइंड गैप्स, हाउ वी कैन लर्न द art of psychological time and clock time, how we can rewire our brain. That are little bit into the depth, or you can say these are little deep topics. So the first and the foremost thing is that learn the art of awareness and make yourself aware that in which direction your thoughts are propelling you. That is the foremost thing. You start practicing it, and once you start doing it, you can easily master your brain, and that ways then you will have that supreme power that you can drive your thoughts in whichever direction, on whatever path you want to drive your thoughts. And once you learn the art of mastering your brain, nobody can stop you. Then you will get to know that how you can focus your energy, how you can manifest, or how you can achieve, or how you can have that highest state of contentment and upliftment and enlightenment. So there are some basic tools and techniques that I'm going to share in my next videos. So for this video, I think it's more than enough that we are going to talk about in for all the dimensions, that how we can have a complete or a 360-degree growth pattern. And those 5 dimensions are basically the social one, emotional one, mental, physical, and basically the spiritual one. So in all the dimensions, we should have a proper growth pattern that will give you a complete personality growth, and it's not at all tough. I practice it every day, and if I practice it every day, then anybody can do it. You just need to be a little more balanced and more disciplined, and you should be more, you can say, committed to yourself. Then you can do wonders. So there is no magic behind it, but there are some tools and techniques through which we can enrich and enlighten ourselves. So I hope आपको ये video अच्छा लगा हो. If you find that this video is little have upgraded your knowledge, so do share it with your friends. And till we meet next time, do take care of yourself. And yes, please practice that awareness of your thoughts and try to do it, that how you can hold your thoughts in that particular moment. And don't get disheartened or discouraged, क्योंकि initially आप कुछ seconds के लिए अपने आप को hold कर पाओगे, लेकिन धीरे धीरे जब आप practice करोगे तो वो चीज़ extend हो जाएगी. You know very well that practice makes a person perfect. I'm not gender biased over here. So practice makes a person perfect. So till we meet next time, do take care of yourself and stay blessed. Stay happy. Thank you. And God bless every soul. Bye-bye. Take care.